Hey guys, how are you doing? If you are experiencing any issues with the app downloads, like from the App Store, when you try to download any app, it will be taking forever to complete the download, then you can follow these troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. Even though you have a good internet connection, like your internet speed test results shows good speed, but still when you try to download the app from App Store, it will show several minutes even for a small app size, and it may sometimes show several hours for some users. The same troubleshooting steps can be tried on both iPhone and iPad. So this clearly is a bug related to the iOS, or sometimes with the App Store. We can figure it out and fix it by the end of this video. So try these troubleshooting steps one by one if you're experiencing similar issue. So the very first thing is, when you try to download multiple apps from the App Store and you're noticing the same issue, give few hours time, like 3 or 4 hours time, and normally the App Store server related issues gets fixed, and then you will be able to see good speed with the App Store downloads. But if the issue is there for several days, then we need to proceed with the troubleshooting steps. The very first basic thing to do is try force closing the app once and then reopen the App Store and then try to download the app that you want to download. This normally fixes the issue for some users. Otherwise, you can perform a simple restart of your device. Press and hold both the volume down button and the side button to trigger the slide to power off feature. Then slide to power off to shut down the iPhone. Give few seconds time and then press the side button and hold it for a couple of seconds till you see Apple logo on your screen. In the next few seconds, you will be taken to the home screen of your device. So this simple restart normally helps to fix any issues related to the App Store app related bugs, preventing you to download the app quickly. And all other apps like YouTube and when you check in Safari, all other apps will be loading faster, but only the App Store shows the sign of slow downloading with any apps that you try to download. Check the network connection just in case. If you're experiencing the issue with mobile data, it could be a limited temporary time cache related problems with the internet service provider side. So try to connect to the Wi-Fi network if available. If you have the Wi-Fi connection in your home or office, then check whether the same issue is continuing or not. You can try with a Cloudflare or Google DNS after connecting your device to the Wi-Fi, either iPhone or iPad. Navigate inside the settings app, Wi-Fi connection, then tap on the information icon and then scroll down to access the DNS section. Then tap on the configure DNS. By default, it will be set to automatic. You can change the Wi-Fi DNS settings to manual entries. Okay, simply select the manual and then press and delete the existing entries. Then tap on add server. Type 1.1.1.1 in the first primary DNS server, and in the second one 1.0.0.1. So this is Cloudflare DNS. You don't have to install the app, but if you want to, you can install the app from App Store. But right now we are trying to fix the issue related to the app download from the App Store. So you can manually enter it only with the Wi-Fi connection. It is not possible to use the DNS services with mobile data. Apple don't allow us to configure the DNS service for the mobile data, but with Wi-Fi it is possible. So save, and then you can see the configure DNS, switch it from automatic to manual based on the entries that you have provided. This fixes overall internet and any service related issues, and you will experience faster internet page loading and video streaming, and overall the App Store and all other apps will be working pretty much faster when you do this with the Wi-Fi network. The next troubleshooting step is navigate inside the settings home page, scroll down a little bit, then access general, and then scroll to the VPN and the device management section. If there are any VPN entries present here, you need to delete that. If you're not using VPN or using VPN, you may keep that entries, but there is a high chance that the VPN profile that you have is causing the issue with the App Store app downloads. So just as a temporary troubleshooting step, we need to delete any entries present in the VPN and device management and then check whether the App Store app downloads is behaving normally. After removing any entries from the VPN and device management, do the restart of your iPhone once and then try to download any app from the App Store. If the issue is fixed, then the problem is the VPN profile that is present here. You can avoid using that and you can switch to different VPN accounts or services that provides good VPN connectivity. So these are the troubleshooting steps that you need to follow if you're experiencing any issue with the App Store. And if you are looking for a free expense tracker app, do check out the Spensio app. I leave a link to this in the description and in the first pinned comment. You can use multiple currencies in the wallet. You can add all your expenses easily, and then you can keep a track of your subscriptions, loans, EMIs, dues, everything in one app. The link is provided in the description and in the first pinned comment. Do check that out. Thank you so much for watching. For more, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.